Okay, welcome to my presentation on using Google Slides, integrating Google Classroom into the Power Learning environment for Shorecrest Elementary's third grade. Now, why Google Classroom? It's a fantastic suite and it's already included in the Power Learning environment. And some of the key features of the classroom are the classroom is allowing you to set themes, school colors, and logos, making the environment fun and interactive for the kids and keeping the idea of their school pride intact. You can add content to assignments such as videos, PDFs, Google Docs, or Google Forms. All can be editable, and that's very helpful when creating assignments for online environments. Sharing videos, links, or images from other websites with students all in one location. Very easy to accomplish in the Google Classroom setting. And viewing assignments and announcements and other resources on a resource page is very helpful for the students to increase their workflow, their productivity, and lessen the amount of navigation they have to do on websites. Drafting assignments for teachers along with announcements and scheduling them to post on later dates is very helpful. This allows the teachers to make assignments the week or weekend before the week starts rather than making them the night of, which they're doing currently in the Power Learning environment, and allows the teachers to post the assignments onto a calendar, and they're able to track them and track the due dates, and the parents and students are also able to keep track of what is coming in the future. Now, utilizing Google Slides is really important for this third grade environment, and the reason is because Google Slides provides weekly work in one location. You're able to give the students a slide with multiple links embedded into it, and you can have better assignment and organization through this, better assignment management. It's very easy to access the assignments, very easy for the kids to navigate, and links and websites can run concurrently with the assignment while the children work. You can improve document delivery with the slides by embedding PDFs into them that can be turned in directly from the slide itself, or you can edit on the slide itself as an assignment and turn those in as well. This is all improving the productivity for the students and for the teachers, and it gives them the ability to reuse materials if there are assignments that are similar that are going to be used again, or if they want to save them for future projects in later times. Now, here's an example of week one, and what I've designed is the students usually go to a slide and they will look at the entire week, and they can start with going to the Hensler Herald. Now, this will take them directly to their distance learning page where there can be other pertinent information that the teacher is posting regarding school at Shorecrest. And then they can navigate right back to the slide, and then they'll go to their first day. In this case, Monday. We're going to click on Monday. It's Monday, April 6th, Scholastic News assignment. You can see the assignments are all streamlined right here. Very easy to read, very easy to access, and they're all embedded with links. Scholastic News, you click on it. You have materials needed here and the instructions. And then over here, I've embedded the link into a picture, password down here for the kids to easily access and remember. They'll click on this and they'll be directed right to the Scholastic News where they can log in. You can also log in with Google Classroom on Scholastic News in particular, which is extremely helpful and makes the process even easier. And then they access their assignment from there. For a math assignment, now in the past on Power Learning, you had to read these instructions, and then you would go to a YouTube channel, watch the video, then you'd return from the YouTube channel to do the assignment that is listed down here. In this case, all is available on one slide. The students can actually go here, read the instructions, watch the video concurrent with doing their slide, their activity, and their math work right here while the slide is playing the YouTube video, and then return to the slide to finish the rest of their assignments. On a reading assignment, what you used to have to do and writing assignments as well, is go to a page on Power Learning, find a photo, download that, turn it into a PDF, and print that. What we can do with the slides is you can actually make an editable form for the students to work within, and they can edit the text on here, answering the questions, and turn the slide in directly from there, making the process much easier and much quicker for both the student and for the teacher. So all of this to say that there are much fewer steps when using slides in the Google Classroom than we have in Power Learning. I believe it creates a much better workflow for all of those involved, for the teachers, parents, and for the students themselves, most importantly. What you had before was the student entering Power Learning, going into the Hensler Herald, and then going over all of the processes from post to post, and then trying to find the different links and documents that they needed, and then going through multiple processes. Through the Google Classroom, they enter Power Learning, enter Google Classroom, and then are presented with packets that include all of their learning materials within one location, making it very easily accessible. So that's my presentation on Google Classroom integration with Power Learning. I hope you enjoyed it. I think that overall it provides a more organized working area for teachers, students, and parents. And I think we'll all enjoy the process a whole lot more in distance learning. And I think we'll be able to be more productive. So if there are any questions, I'll take them now. If not, happy learning, everybody.